Hello, my dear students. So today I'm here with a video on multiplication of fractions. I hope you can see my screen. That's like fraction multiplication. So we'll be learning about the multiplication of fractions. Okay. But before that, as you can see here, I have a question on screen, which is 2 times 1 by 3. So there is 1 by 3 is a fractional part and 2 is a whole part. So we will learn how do we multiply a whole number with a fraction, which is 1 by 3. Okay, so some of you might be knowing how we go ahead with this. So you might be knowing that we just simply, multiply the numerators, which is 2 times 1, which is 2, and then there is denominator is 3. So it's like simple, like 2, 1, 2 by 3, right? But why do we get this answer? Does it make sense? Okay, how do we achieve this answer, right? Is this logically correct? So I'll take you into the nuances of this, all right? So the fraction is 1 by 3, okay? So let me just draw 1 by 3 for you. So here you see there is this one block. And if I say this is one block, right? What 1 by 3 look like? If I divide this block into 3 equal parts, it has to be 3 equal parts, right? So this is one block. I have divided this into 3 equal parts. And if I'm just picking up one part of it, okay, so this is one whole block, but I'm just picking up one part of it. Now this one part, right, this part here, 1 by 3 for me. All right. So this one block is 1 by 3. Okay. But I just don't have to take 1 by 3. I have to do it twice, right? 2 times 1 by 3. So this is my 1 by 3. And if I take 1 by 3 again, let's make twice of it. All right. So here we take twice of 1 by 3. Now 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Now what you're doing, you're picking 1 by 3 from here, which is like one shaded portion from here and one shaded portion from here. So how much will be your answer? Okay, so you're getting this one as well as this one because you have picked 1 by 3 from here, 1 by 3 from here. So now in the 2 times, right? It's 2 times 1 by 3. And in the final result, you're getting 2 shaded blocks. So which is 2 by 3 is your answer. And that's how we achieve, the multiplication of a number with a fractional part. Simple, right? Okay, now let's understand how do we multiply fraction with a fraction. So let's say we have a question here wherein we have to multiply 1 by 2 times 1 by 3. All right, so you have to multiply 1 by 2, which is a fraction, with 1 by 3, which is a fraction again. Okay, so how we go ahead with this? So you can just draw any of these fractions first. All right, so any of these parts you can draw. So let me go ahead drawing 1 by 2. So here we go and let's draw 1 by 2. Okay. So this is one block, but this is one entire block. If I divide it into 2 parts, now this is my half. All right. So this portion right here is half. If I just shade this portion, this is my half block, which is my 1 by 2 block. Okay. But now I have to multiply this 1 by 2 with 1/3. All right. So what I'll do now, I'll divide this entire half block into 3 parts. All right. So let me just make divisions, 3 divisions to it. Okay. So let's do it. Now this is my first portion. Now ensure that we are making equal divisions. Okay. So 3 equal divisions we are making. All right. So here also we have made 3 fragments of this block. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and we have to pick up 1. So we have drawn 3 fragments, and from that we have to pick up 1, which is this entire fragment, right? Okay, do you see this, right? This much portion. So the product of 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 would be the common region. And what is the common region here? Like the region which is shaded twice, or the region which is common to 1 by 2 and 1/3 both. So what is that portion? This is the portion, right? You see here, this portion is common to both of them. The region which got shaded twice when we were doing the shading and all. So this is the region that got shaded twice. So this is 1 by 2 times 1 by 3, which is, now if you just try to find out how much is this shaded portion here, it would be 1/6. So there are total 6 fragments, and this particular region is 1/6 of the entire. And that's how we achieve to the conclusion that 1 by 2 times 1 by 3 is nothing but 1/6. Okay, so I think now you understand like why we multiply fractions the way we do. Okay, so the visual representation of fractions. All right, thank you.